morning, good evening, good afternoon. Not students and not traders. This is not a course, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Future crypto millionaires and billionaires. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on Dukascopy YouTube Webinars. Oh, and I have an echo, everybody. Give me a second. There you go. So, crypto investing, and welcome to FXFreedom Lazy Crypto Portfolio, everybody. Okay? And remember, what is lazy? Lazy doesn't mean procrastination. Lazy just means that we don't need necessarily to be an expert on the blockchain technology. Make sense, everybody? But let's go step by step, right? For some of you, this is the first time with us, so welcome. And risk disclaimer, everybody, the webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. One more time, don't invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. One more time, crypto assets, those, everybody, where are we here? This is the portfolio. Those beautiful things, and I'm sorry, everybody, I need to move all the things. There you go. Okay, those all the things in, where are we? Here, you know, all those things, everybody. So one more time, right here, crypto. All of these beautiful things, everybody, carry a high degree of risk. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Solana, and so on, and so on, and so on. Okay, carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. Make sense, everybody? Give me a second, everybody. There you go. Always do your own homework, everybody, before you act. What is the homework? Regulation. Regulation is the homework, everybody, okay? In some countries you can do some things. In some countries you cannot do the same things. Always do your own homework before you act. Check regulation. Now, I'm not a professional in cryptos. Make sense? Freedom, teach me about the smart contract. I have no idea. Freedom, teach me about the blockchain technology. I have no clue. Make sense, everybody? But I am a technical trader and a portfolio manager. This is why we are here, crypto investing. And in my opinion, the crypto market is going to produce millionaires in the next 3 to 5 years. Again, in my opinion. Every first week of the month we are showing you the portfolio results. Well, we are showing you the portfolio results every week right now, and I'm not sure why everybody have a problem with. Give me a second. So there you go, everybody. This is the portfolio. Makes sense? And recalculating. So in the last 24 hours, this is the hello Pablo, how are you? This is the 24-hour results, everybody. Last 7 days, this is the result of the portfolio. Last 30 days, this is the result. And the last 90 days, this is the result. And all time, everybody, this is the result of the portfolio. Makes sense? We invested $1,000 11 or 12th of May 2021. Everybody, we start with $1,000. We went up until to 9,500. So this is a 900%, right, profit. Then we went down to 5,200, and now of course we are back up to 8,000 roughly, right? 9,000. Everybody, would you be happy with this kind of result? would you be happy, everybody, to invest in May 2021 $1,000, 1,000 euros, 1,000 reais in Brazil, and then you would come up to 9,000? Would this make you happy, everybody? Would you be happy with this? Somebody's typing no. Okay, fair enough, right? Fair enough. Now I want more. I want to go from $1,000 to 20,000 in, well, we are trying to do the same, right? But would you be happy, everybody, with the knowledge how to structure a portfolio? Make sense, everybody? What I want you, and remember, this is not a course, I'm not a teacher here, even though Pablo says hi, teacher. This is just a friendly conversation, okay? It's called crypto investing. Make sense, everybody? What I want you for you to understand today, the guys and the girls who are the first time with us, is that, you know, we are just managing a portfolio, and, you know, to have this kind of results, you don't need to be a professional on cryptos. Make sense? You don't need to know. Now, everybody, don't get me wrong, I am pro learning, everybody. Make sense? Learn as much as you can, okay? But I'm telling you, you can have the same result if you learn how to manage a portfolio. And take a pen and paper, everybody, and write this down. I'm having a lazy portfolio course every 3 months. So take a pen and paper, write this down. 21st of April. It's going to be March 21st, so 23rd, I'm sorry, everybody, Saturday, 23rd of April, we are going to have the course again. Hello, all of you, how are you? Passion, you're amazing, I wanna see your face. Next time, okay? Very good. Yes, everybody, sometimes we have the camera on, not a problem. But I'm married, you know, everybody. So every first week of the month we are showing you the portfolio results, and I'm having a lazy portfolio course every 3 months. So 23rd of April is going to be the next. 20 people max, everybody. Okay? Why 20 people? Because you have a lot of questions. Make sense? Connect if you want more info. You can subscribe to the YouTube Crypto Millionaire Crypto Portfolio channel if you want. And as always, what we are going to do, we are checking many times, we are checking also the news, right? Okay? As a portfolio manager, what interests us, you know, is the news. Make sense, everybody? So we are using CoinDesk, and you are using, so this is this is not a relevant one. Okay, and we are checking the news about regulation. Make sense, everybody? So, and we have some news, right? This is another news, and this is another news talking about regulation, and this is another news talking about regulation, and this is another news talking about regulation, and this is another news talking about regulation. Let me see if we have another one. Not in here. And this is it. And let me see if we have another one. Everybody, just give me a second. Okay. So this is the portfolio result. Now those are the crypto assets, everybody. And let's check about the news. So this is CoinDesk. And let me see what is today. So BitMEX, CEO, First Mover Asia, EU Parliament votes on privacy, but now see, everybody, this is as a portfolio manager. Okay, we pay close attention to what? We pay close attention to policy. What is policy? Policy, it's also called regulation. This is this, everybody. Always do your own homework before you act. Make sense? In some countries you can go to jail if you are not obeying the regulation. So let's see what is happening here. And this news is from today, everybody. March 31. European Parliament votes on privacy busting crypto rules as industry rails against proposals. Lawmakers are set to end even the smallest anonymous crypto transaction and plan measures that could see unregulated exchanges cut off. So, see everybody, if you live in Europe, now the lazy way, right? The lazy way for the grandpa and the grandma, you know, the lazy way. What basically Europe is doing, everybody, they are going to ban Bitcoin, everybody, okay, for financial transactions. Make sense? We've been talked about, some of you are new to the Dukascopy Webinars, some of you are old. We've been talked about for more than a year that we still have a systemic risk all around the world. China banned all the cryptocurrencies, okay, and Europe is going, not in general, but is going about just the Bitcoin, you know, it's going the same way. So what governments are doing so far, okay, so far, Europe, what Europe is doing, Europe is going to tell you, okay, you live in the Netherlands, it's okay, you can have your Bitcoins. You live in Spain, Italy, you know, France, whatever the country in Europe, you can have your Bitcoins, okay, but you cannot buy bread and butter with Bitcoins. Make sense, everybody? This is, so far, this is the lazy way how to understand this title, okay? Somebody is asking, not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform, you know, why are they doing this? Because, why Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is blockchain technology. It's, so the lazy way to understand, you know, it's impossible to track Bitcoin. Makes sense, everybody? It's impossible, okay? Why? Because it doesn't have a start. Make sense? Or maybe it's getting too complex, you know, it's on the cloud, okay? So Bitcoin is decentralized, and even though, and we talked about also in general everybody, you know, and this is why this market is going to produce millionaires in the next 3 to 5 years. Why? Because regulators, you know, if history is going to repeat itself, regulators are going to need between 3 to 5 years to make all the rules. And the question, we have two questions, everybody, talking about the regulators. You have number one, it's a question of power. But number two, inside every specific country, it's a question of taxes. Make sense? They want to tax you. If you ask me, this is totally fine, you know, but how can you tax somebody, you know, if, as they say, European Union lawmakers voted today on controversial measures to outlaw, how can you tax somebody that it's anonymous? Make sense, everybody? European Union lawmakers voted today on controversial measures to outlaw anonymous crypto transactions. Bye Bitcoin, everybody. Don't do stupid things because of the money. Hello teacher, I'm not a teacher in here, everybody. This is a friendly conversation. Okay, I'm having a course 23 of April. If you want to have the same result, if you want to learn how to structure a portfolio, okay, but otherwise we have just a friendly conversation. and I'm telling you, check regulation before you act. So, to outlaw anonymous crypto transaction, a move to the industry said will stifle innovation and invite privacy. But they want to tax you. The rules of the votes among members of the European Parliament's Economic and Civil Liberties Committees will be publicized later Thursday. So, today, the proposals are intended to extend anti-money laundering requirements that apply to conventional payments over €1,000 to the crypto sector. So if you live in Europe, everybody, the exchanges are going to ask you for KYC, know your customer, they want to know, which is okay, by the way, makes sense? It's not wrong. But all over the world, you have a fight. Oh, we are decentralized finance. Well, as a portfolio manager, we are going to see how this is going to roll out. All over the world, by the way. And we talked about already, right? That most likely the crypto market is going to be one of the many totally regulated, but we are going to pay taxes and they're going to know who you are, what you do, which is okay. Not a problem, we're not against this, everybody. Make sense? But you have the cryptomaniacs, oh, we are decentralized finance, everything is anonymous. Well, not in Europe anymore, anyway. And they also scrapped the floor for crypto payments, so payers and recipients of even the smallest crypto transaction would need to be identified, including for transactions with unhosted or self-hosted wallets. Further measures under discussion could see unregulated crypto exchanges cut off from the conventional financial system. So maybe tomorrow is going to be another story, but today this is what it's called an ugly news, everybody. Makes sense? It's not good, it's not bad, but it's, and again, they maybe not Bitcoin, but you can, if they can track what you do with Ethereum, Polkadot, Matic, and anything else, Shiba Inu, then you're going to pay taxes and it's okay, not a problem. And so this is not for today, this is from March 23, everybody, 1 week ago. European parliaments that supported the controversial provision seeking to limit proof of work, Bitcoin, could make one less stand if the MECA draft goes. What is MECA? It's where is the acronym? Markets in Crypto Assets. This is Europe, everybody. Thailand Security and Exchange Commission bans crypto payments. See, Thailand too. Seeks disclosure of system failure from exchanges. Okay, since December 2021, the government of Thailand has been working on preparing a new regulatory framework by defining red lines for the crypto industry. Policy again. UK, US regulators call for high levels of global collaboration. Somebody's asking, well, what if I live in Europe and I invest overseas? Check regulation, everybody. Okay, don't play around with this. Makes sense? It's not worth it. Find a good lawyer. If you live in Europe, find a good lawyer, okay, or a good accountant that knows regulation and ask them, how can you do this? What can you do this? In any way, do everything and anything according to the law. Okay? Don't play or yes sir. Oh, but I want the Lambo. Me too, but not against the law, right? Okay, everybody? What else we have? We are here, Cointelegraph. So, see, now in India it's different. 30% crypto tax become law. So you can have your bitcoins, you can trade bitcoins, but you are going to pay 30%, right? We can click in here. So different countries all around the world are positioning itself in different ways. The Indian Finance Bill 2022 with the new 30% crypto tax rules was approved by the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. It will come into effect starting on April the 1st, so Friday, everybody. Okay, okay. Somebody is complaining 30% is too much. Well, welcome to the club, everybody. You know, let's make a poll. Let's make a poll. What do you prefer, everybody? Do you want to pay? Let's make a poll. Do you want to pay 30% tax and invest and trade cryptos? Or do you prefer that your country ban Bitcoin? What do you prefer? I would prefer both, but well, in most of the countries, you cannot have both. Make sense, everybody? USA is going the same way, you know. If they can tax you, they are going to, I believe, it's my humble opinion, the USA is going to, Europe too, you know. In my humble opinion, you know, they are going to regularize the cryptos. They are going to tax the cryptos. They are going to know who you are, what you are doing, you know. And if they can't, they are going to ban. Make sense, everybody? Now, changing subjects, right? Somebody's typing, oh, let's talk about making money. Well, so this is the crypto index, everybody. You know, I'm not sure on Dukascopy Forex platform, but you have the crypto index on TradingView. And talking about technically speaking, right, looks like that the bear market is over. You know, this is TradingView, yes sir. Yes, we have cryptocurrencies on JForex too. So the bear market is over so far. This is the platform, JForex platform, everybody. Let me find cryptos, crypto one, there you go. All of them says tax is better. I agree with you. I agree with you. But you have some of the crypto guys, they don't agree. Everybody, makes sense? The crypto maniacs, exactly. You know, I'm going to hide my money in Bitcoin and nobody's going to know where is my Bitcoin, and well, they are going to ban Bitcoin. Make sense, everybody? You have always the good news, the bad news, and the ugly news, right? So this is the JForex platform, and if you go here, everybody, you have 18 cryptocurrencies to check. ADA, Bitcoin, Dashcoin, EOS, Link, something, Matic, TRX, XLM, Avi, Bitcoin Cash again, Compound, Engine Coin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Okay, if you want. But otherwise, Dukascopy is using, yes, they are using the TradingView platform too. Not a problem. Okay. Everybody, what do you want to check? Do you want to check? So if you go on Coin Market Cap, everybody, and click cryptocurrencies in ranking, right? What do you want to check? Do you want to check the big cryptocurrencies, or do you want to check what are called the shit coins? What do you mean? Somebody's typing. What do you mean? Do you want to get 900% steadily, you know, step by step in a systemic way, or do you want to get rich overnight, everybody? What do you prefer? Do you want the Lambo tomorrow, or do you want the Lambo in 3 to 5 years? Somebody's typing, oh, is this a joke? It's no joke. It's no joke at all, everybody. Shiba Inu, it's no joke. Why would this be a joke? Look in here. You know, Shiba Inu is just an example. Why would this be a joke? You know, let's say that you put $100, right, or 100 euros, whatever, text 32. Let's say that you put $100/euros, okay, and you invested when Shiba Inu was here. 0.0000872, and you've sold somewhere up in here. You know, it was 0.000. So from 800 to roughly 8,000, how many percentage? In percentage, how? So your $100, you know, transformed to what? I would like to know how can move my Bitcoin from Duka to my wallet. Then webinar, can you help me? Pablo, I don't have this kind of expertise, I'm sorry. Okay, wallets and how to move everybody. Okay, I don't have this kind of expertise. But everybody, Dukascopy Webinar, it's a community. If somebody knows, please type in the chat if you know how to help Pablo, everybody. Okay. Can you share a buy sell indicator? Sure. It's called Super Trend on TradingView. Give me a second. Everybody, you go here. This one it's called Super Trend, makes sense? Super Trend. On TradingView, you go to where? Here. Indicators. You go in the indicators on TradingView and you put Super Trend. I believe it's this one. 30,000 downloads. Okay. And everybody also pay attention. Some of you are new and are young. Don't share your informations online, okay? Be aware there is, you know, there are a lot of scammers, there are a lot of hackers, okay? Pablo, don't share, you know, too much. Makes sense, everybody? We all see the news, right? They hacked, what was $26 million from X Infinity or whatever was the news, everybody, right? So back to the original question, everybody. Do you want to check the big ones or do you want to check the fast ones? Which one do you want? Oh, Shiba. Well, it was also Doge back in time. Shiba Inu just one, you know. Shiba Inu in just one, right? And what? Doge. I believe it's Doge. Doge USD. This was another one back in time. See everybody in here? So no, it's not a joke. You know, it was what? Dollar. I'm not sure about. No, this is not. It's too much, right? 40,000. It's not the correct one. Doge USDT market cap. Doge USDT. Maybe this one, or is the same? Oh, this one. Sure, there you go. It's zero, right? See in here, everybody. So if you invested with what? 0.18 and sold at 70. It's not that. It's compared to Shiba Inu. It's still, you know. What? 0. Somewhere in here. 0.27. You know. Okay, it's 200%, 300%, right? And I'm not sure if this is the correct one. Doge US dollar, Bitfinex. Or it is, right? Oh, here, there you go. We found it. Dogecoin, everybody, back in time. 0.06. How many... What is the return of investment, everybody? Take the calculator and type in the chat. If you invest €1, $1, 1 Brazilian real at 0.06 and you sold it at 0.7, pay attention, 0.06 and you sold at 0.7, how much is the return on investment in percentage? 0.06 to 0.12 is 100%. 0.18 is 200%. And so on and so on and so on. Okay, everybody? Those were instant millionaires and billionaires. Make sense? And somebody's crying, oh, why not me? Well, this is the another part, everybody. You are going to learn if you come to the crypto portfolio course. You are going to learn how to spot this kind of opportunities. Make sense? Now let me show in here the portfolio, right? So we are down from 9 to, looks like we're falling a little bit. Give it a second, everybody, it's recalculating. Recalculating, everybody. See in here, Shiba Inu in the portfolio. Okay, it would not be fair, I cannot show you that much. Dancy is saying fill USDT, so let's find fill USDT. Binance, maybe. Fill USDT. Wow, these two, right? Wow. And looks like it's going up again. Looks like it's going up again. You know. So if you invest down here at 19, well, you would double, you know, it would be, so far you would make 100%. Dancy, did you profit from this one? Yes, everybody, exactly, you know, somebody's typing, well, but Bitcoin and shitcoin are two different things. Exactly, exactly. We've talked about this in the previous, it was called Crypto Friday or Crypto Thursday, you know. If you put $100 at Bitcoin at 46,000 roughly, what is the probability and how long is going to take that is going to come to 86,000? Somebody's typing, why 86? You want to double your money, right? If you want your $100 or 1,000 euros to become $200 or 2,000 euros, then Bitcoin must go from 46 to 86. And I said incorrectly, 92, everybody. It's not even 46, 92, right? 92. Yes, before. Wow, congratulations. Congratulations, Dancy, congratulations. See, everybody, you have Matic also. And again, you know, most of the crypto assets are rallying because as you are seeing from the crypto index, everybody in here, you know, we were in the bear market, you know, this is the index, is measuring the price action of most of the crypto assets. It was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Then it was stalling in here and then we broke out, right? But this is the challenge, everybody. This is our problem. Make sense? Where is it? Bit first move Asia. BitMEX, no. First mover, no. This one. This is the challenge. Make sense, everybody? Not just for the common Joe. This is the challenge for everybody. Also for the companies. You have companies in Europe. You have hedge funds and investment funds who are investing. Make sense? And now talking about specifically about Bitcoin because it's untrackable. Okay? Somebody's asking, oh, why it's untrackable? The lazy way, everybody, because of technology. Make sense? It's untrackable because of technology. You know, it has no beginning, it has no end. Ethereum is something different. Okay, so we are going to see what is going to be the effect. Make sense, everybody? So if Bitcoin starts to, and again, you know, there is no right or wrong anyway. If 2 or 3 of the big countries ban Bitcoin, then, and if you have your Bitcoins, then something like this is going to happen. Make sense? or you need to move. Make sense? Let's make a stupid example, right? From my side, stupid example. Let's say that Europe bans Bitcoin and USA accepts Bitcoins. What are you going to do? If you have a family, everybody, if you are a working middle class and you have friends and family, you are not going to move for $1,000 or €1,000. Make sense? What about the million? Well, million, it makes sense, right, to move. Or El Salvador or any other country that accepts and regulates Bitcoin. Makes sense, everybody? But most of us, working middle class, we are not going to move. Fair enough? True or not true? You know, somebody's asking, what should I do? I don't know, everybody. No, you are an adult, right? But anyways, the best advice I can give you, and this is not a course, everybody, check regulation. Find a great lawyer that understands crypto regulation. And something's happening in the market, the dogs are getting crazy. Well, Bitcoin is falling down, maybe this is where they are, or maybe we have somebody's yes, it's called shitcoins, everybody. No, it's not a bad word, you know. Okay, so when you go on CoinMarketCap and you click cryptocurrencies and you click ranking, you have price and you have market caps in here. Market cap means how much money is invested worldwide. Okay, don't ask me how are they tracking this, I have no idea, but this is how much money is invested in Bitcoin. Okay, and this is the price. If you click on price, you know, this is the most expensive crypto asset. It's called wrapped Bitcoin. Okay, and if you click again, there you have the what are called the the shit coins, the cheapest project. Makes sense, everybody? You have BitTorrent new 0.000002 whatever, Shiba Inu still in leading, you know, 0.000 whatever, eCash 0.00, Holo, MP, IOST, you know, Tron, TRX, everybody. And again, freedom, what is BitTorrent new, what is Shiba Inu, what is eCash, what is Holo, what is MAMP? Answer, I have no idea. And I'm telling everybody, it's good news, you don't need to know. I'm pro-learning, I'm telling you, learn as much as you can, but you don't need to know to have this kind of results. Make sense? Study the projects if you want, but I'm telling you, it's good news, you don't need to know necessarily. Somebody's asking, but how do you choose then? Well, this is the knowledge. This is the knowledge how to structure the portfolio, everybody. You know? What can I tell you? This is your first time. What can I tell you? You know, so the crypto market is a new market, agreed? The crypto market doesn't have 60 years plus like the Forex market, or whatever might be the case, 200 years plus, you know, like the stock market. The crypto market, it's a new market, you know. It has what? Starting from here, what was this? 917? See, everybody? Talking about history repeat itself, you know. It has what? It has what? 4 or 5 years? Okay, so what I am doing, I am using the knowledge from the stock market, and you can do this by your own self. You know, buy some books on Amazon, how to structure a portfolio, everybody. Okay, so I'm using the knowledge from the stock market and I'm applying to the crypto market, and this is the result. Now, so far, you know, this is doing well, and the concepts and the rules from the portfolio management theory make sense, and it's working, right? Starting with $1,000 in May 2021, you know, and being up in here right now with 9,000 and before, you know. Okay, everybody, do you have any questions before we finish for today? Remember, this is not a course. This is just a friendly conversation. It's called crypto investing. Okay. Thank you, Dancy, for sharing Phil USDT. We've seen Shiba Inu, we've seen Doge, we talked about Bitcoin, we talked about regulation, we talked about Europe most likely is going to ban Bitcoin. No, thank you very much. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back on Monday in the Forex course. One more time, if you want to take part in the lazy crypto portfolio, I'm telling you, don't stress out. We are not going to learn about blockchain and whatever, you know. We are going to learn how to understand the different projects, okay, and structure a portfolio. And one more time, you know, if you are going to do what I am doing, you are going to have exactly the same result that I do. Make sense, everybody? Okay, our time is up. See you back on Monday. Until Monday, stay strong and relax. Relax with freedom.